Hello, welcome to Gladys Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Snapchat media upload problem. So if you don't want your photo you send through your gallery to Snapchat to indicate that you sent it through gallery and also indicate the date. This is what I'm trying to say. Let me use this. I sent this photo to this person through my gallery, but it's not indicating that I sent it through my gallery, and also it is not showing the date. If this is exactly what you want, let's go out from my Snapchat. The first thing you have to do is don't update your Snapchat. Don't go to your Play Store and update your Snapchat. Leave it that way in the old version, sorry. But if you want it, the next thing you have to do if you have already updated your Snapchat is this. The step 2 is tap steadily on your Snapchat to uninstall it. After uninstalling it, the third step is for you to go to your browser. On your browser, tap on your new tab, tap on the search option, tap on Snapchat old version. Okay, tap on Snapchat old version. Make sure your data is on. Tap on the first option there. Then look for the old updated version. Like the first one is August 1st, 2024, which is recently. It is too near, so let's leave that one and look for older one, like this one that says July 26, 2024. Tap steadily on it. So you can now download this Snapchat and use it for whatever you wish to. So guys, if this video was helpful, do want to like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.